What's up, Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to you, shout out to the Auto Gang. Let's jump into an FOMC meeting. Big news coming out. Jim Cramer says the bull market is back on. Now, I don't know about this rich white man, but he might be doing something to the entire company all of a sudden. But Jim Cramer is saying this bull market's back on. And then we have Michael Burry saying something else, saying sell everything. And then we have this rich white man, Jerome Powell, on the hub here sharing his ideas. So today we had a trade, a little scalp, 69%, not intentional. Exit price was right there. So you can see in and out. Very good. But what is my opinion? Well, I turn the other cheek because you know what? I'm going to take what the charts give me, and I'm not currently in any other trades because I don't revenge trade. I don't get too upset, but we're looking at the charts now. Let's look at the weekly. Let's turn off the smart money concept. Let's look at the charts and say what they're going to give us, right? So where did I take my trade? Well, I caught the top of here to the bottom of here, and I got out. That was my trade today. I saw price coming up, getting exhausted here on the 12. I was at work. I don't suggest trading on your phone because it's not always that accurate. But you know what? I saw exhaustion. I saw the three beautiful peaks here, and they were curving over with a bit of divergence and exhaustion here, and it dumped on us, and I got out, and then I went boom, right back up, and we have been trending sideways, so it's pretty boring right now. Boring, I say, but in 12 hours' time, it won't be so boring. In 12 hours' time, we have the FOMC, my friends, my fellow DGen Otter friends out there. So don't forget to like and subscribe. What is my plan? What is my thinking for this beautiful, beautiful update? 0.25 basis points is what they're saying, right? So this is a hike nonetheless, right? And we have yet to get above this 25 level. You can see the level here. I have an alert set here. We cannot seem to get even above 24, right? It's held us down. Well, have the market makers, the whales, pushed us down in order to set us up for a big explosion? That could be a possibility, right? That could be a big possibility. Why don't we trade it? Well, let's look for confirmation tomorrow. Now remember, whenever there's news, there is one initial move and then the second move that tends to wreck everyone, right? So if I was to show you on a candle, it'd be something like this, right? But it'd all be all within 30 seconds, right? It'd all be like boom, and then sell, and then kaboom, skyrocket, right? So we're going to look for signals. I will be trading this. I will be on the charts. I will be in the Discord. So shout out to the Discord. Shout out to you guys. We're taking trades on the daily, sharing our setups and making them profits. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Shout out to the Discord. Love you guys. Much love. That's why we're making the video after a hard day's work. As a carpenter, I was chipping concrete all day. What kind of carpenter does that? But guess what? I came home, I had a shower, and I jumped on the charts, and I'm making this for you guys because that's all that matters, is that we get you guys the information as quick as possible. So right now, where are we? Let's zoom out. Let's go to the 4 hour because this is the one I wanted to check out. I wanted to show you that we are currently at the point of control, which we have been for quite a bit, right? And we are just hanging out here, right? We are flagged up, right? We are in this sideways action. We are above. Actually, we're at the value area high of this range, right? But what I've had marked out for quite some time is some beautiful support and resistance levels. Let's throw it up on the charts, and you can see that we wicked up and we wicked down, right? Many trades to be had. So what is my thinking for this? Well, let's turn on the smart money concepts, right? And let's take a look here. Now, does this look pretty to you? It looks pretty to me. I like smart money concepts because it allows me to find these beautiful gaps in price no matter what the timeline. It also shows me change of characters, right? And other simple things that, we don't really want to look for. So throw the smart money concepts. Lux Algo. It's good. It helps, right? Anything to find confluence. Now, we have this retracement area. We talked about this the other day, right? Where we have this 0.76. So this would be my target for a fake out right down in here between 21K and 20K, right? Somewhere in between here, we have certain areas marked out. As you can see, if you want those areas, here you go. Merry Christmas. I'll put the prices right there for you. All right. We got the prices. Prices are arranged. Remember, they are arranged. Don't just put in the order and hope for the best, right? This is not what we're about. We're about developing a healthy mindset first. First and foremost, healthy mindset. If you aren't in a good mindset, do not be trading this because it's going to be volatile, right? Second of all, let's make a plan. Make a plan. Pull some support, resistance, trend lines, all that stuff. We are in bullish sentiment, but we keep getting rejected, right? This rejection zone without no volume, we ain't pumping through. Can we blast through and finally get to this 25K area? And maybe we throw on a beautiful short and we ride that thing down to 10K. Nah, I'm just joking. I don't know if we're going to hit 10K, but you never know. We got to be safe and you got to be weary of what's going to happen. Now, what do I think could happen? I think, even though Cramer said, the bulls are back in town, I think we'll have a little fake out and then a kaboom up to 25K. And from there, we'll see what happens. Remember, we do have reportings coming in tomorrow. I believe Alphabet, Google, Microsoft, and Apple. It's some serious companies putting out their reports tomorrow. And then, of course, we got Jerome Powell. So let's be safe. You know what? You can't just go on what people are saying. You got to formulate your own ideas and your own trading style, right? In order to develop that style, you can join us on this channel because we're always giving little ideas in how we trade. Many people have we like to trade ranges, right? And secure profits early and then let the rest of the trade ride. Because you know what? It's good to pay yourself. That's what they say. Pay yourself, and then whatever happens after that, at least you break even or you make a little bit of coin, right? That's what we're all about. We're preserving capital, and being the otter gang that we are, we're a little bit degenerate. We use a bit of leverage, but we have fun, and we always stay positive, right? So let's be careful of what's going to happen in the next 12 hours. I believe it's 12 hours because it's 6 a.m. for me. Anyways, it's going to be soon, right? It's going to be soon. So take down these levels, be prepared, and let's look at Market Cipher. So jumping into Market Cipher, what do we got? We have the daily here curving down. Money flow is coming out on these time frames. Money flow is coming out. That means we might be seeing more downside, right? Money flow is curving down. Money flow is coming out. We got a VWAP flop coming here on the 10 hour. We better be careful. But we can see that we're bouncing around this zero line and we're curving down on our money flow, right? On our money flow. So let's look at the 1 hour, because this is kind of going to tell us, 1 hour, 2 hours, they take about 10 hours, I think, 10, 12 hours to come to fruition. Yeah, something like that. So let's see how this looks, right? I see sideways, sideways, sideways. I see a reversal pattern. That could mean more downside. But money flow has come up because we've had this relief from the bottom here. We also had some beautiful bullish divergence here. I believe that was on the 24. You look on the 24 here. Oh yeah, look at that. Lower lows, higher high. There's your bullish divergence right here. That would have been a nice trade setup right into our box that we've had drawn out, right? And that would have been a nice trade, right? Beautiful gains, right? I wasn't ready for that, but beautiful gains. Look at that. 3 almost 4%. This could continue up. Good entry. But these guys, I don't think they're safe tomorrow. I don't think they're safe at all. I think we're going to get something that's definitely going to go and grab these guys. Maybe even grab people down below, right? Maybe even down below. So these are my thoughts. It's trade the range. Be careful. Use a stop loss. If you're not feeling comfortable and you're not in the right mindset, don't trade it at all. Sit them out. I've sat them out. Let's see what the market gives us. Maybe with what happens in the market, you'll be able to trade the reaction better than the actual boom, 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 crazy volume, spikes everywhere. It's exciting. We like excitement here. But what we really like is growing our stacks over a period of time. Is that not agrees? That's why we're here, right? To grow the stacks, right? To accumulate. We love Bitcoin. Maybe we don't love Bitcoin. Maybe we just like trading Bitcoin. Anyways, we like to accumulate them stacks, them racks, whatever you want to call them. Let's get more of them. So let's be patient. Let's have a good mindset. Let's go into this with a clear mind, clear levels. Look for price to react and then maybe jump into a trade, right? Don't try to beat the market because they will win, right? Try to extract money from the markets for yourself because we're retail traders, but we're out here. We're trying our best to give you the levels, give you the setups. I will be in the Discord. It will be 6 a.m. I will be bringing my laptop to work with me, ready to trade this stuff because we're about this and we're going to get this. So shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Much love, much respect, and go out there and have a good time. And don't worry because you'll be all right. And I love you. Take care. And we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.